Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let's wait for everyone to join.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Farhan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, I think most of you have already joined in, and I can start. Uh, wait, three students. Okay, done. All right, guys. So yesterday, I think we started with integration strategy. Correct? Now, yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me what is integration strategy? It is a type of expansion strategy, right? Just 1 minute, guys. There are few students in the waiting room. Let me just take them all together and then I share the screen. All right. Okay, I hope you remember yesterday's example wherein I was making uh, fruit-based soft drink and I was associated with Farhan, Mehek, then Aditya, and then also Sarita, you know, Aisha, and I was doing my business activities along with them. Okay. So some of them were my suppliers, some were distributors, one of which was taking care of the warehousing facility, one of which was taking care of transportation, okay, one of which was my distributor, all right. So they were performing these activities, okay, earlier, and now I have taken the complete control of those activities. Okay. I am only performing those functions. Okay. I am not dependent on the supplier anymore. Okay. I am only making sure that I make the raw materials available. Okay. So I'm taking care of the role of supplier. I'm taking care of role of manufacturer. I'm taking care of, role of distributor. All right. So when I do that, okay, it is called as integration strategy. When I combine my activities of business, okay, and I take care of the whole responsibility, okay, it is referred to as integration strategy. I hope there is no difficulty over your students.
No,
Yes.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So today we will first understand types of integration. There are basically two types, okay, and then we will also understand the reasons for adopting integration strategy. I am sharing the screen now. Okay, students, I was planning to also make a PPT and share, but instead of that, what I found is this textbook notes are more apt and you can relate to the content. Also, when you are, writing your exams, okay, you will be able to have, you will be able to relate. Okay, कि क्या पढ़ा था हमने क्या क्या sentences आपको याद रहेगा वो सब. Still, I would want to know your choice and your preference. You want me to share a PPT or this textbook image is comfortable?
Textbook, ma'am.
Because PPT is just like a something decorative kind of a thing, but textbook image will serve the real purpose. All right, I'm sharing the screen, guys. Just 1 minute. You tell me if it is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible. All right. So we will understand the integration strategies types. Okay. Vertical and horizontal. All right. Vertical is having further two sub classification, that is backward integration and forward integration. So we will understand slowly one by one. Okay. Who is going to read this? Anyone? महक आपका connection अच्छा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mehak, you can start then.
The integration strategy can be of two types: vertical integration, backward integration, and forward integration. Horizontal integration. Ma'am, can I start
Yes,
with
you
what?
can start. can start with a vertical, please.
Vertical integration. It involves extending firm's activity. It can be in two forms. Backward integration. In background integration, In backward integration, a company moves one step backwards from the current line of business. For instance, a firm may tie up with the supplier of raw materials or take over a firm that supplies raw materials, or may itself decide to manufacture raw materials and or components required to manufacture its final product. For instance, Hero Cycles has set up a subsidiary to manufacture cycle wheels and tubes.
Okay, now let us understand what do you mean by vertical integration. We have two types in vertical integration. Basically, vertical integration means extending the firm's activities. Okay, you are now just like in your previous example. Okay, I said you that Farhan and Aditya was supplying me raw materials. Okay, one of which was supplying me raw mango, and the other one was supplying me preservatives and other ingredients. Okay, but now I'm not taking from them. What I'm doing is either I am completely manufacturing raw materials on my own, okay, or I have purchased the raw material suppliers firm itself, okay, or I had a complete tie-up with them. In case of complete tie-up, okay, Farhan and Aditya are not going to supply the raw materials to anybody else, but they are only going to supply the raw materials to me. So this is the case of a firm tie-up. Okay. अगर मैं उनके साथ tie-up कर रही हूँ, they are not going to supply the raw materials to anybody else, but they are only going to supply to me. Or else I may decide to manufacture the raw materials on my own. Okay, that means I am not going to be dependent on them at all, and I make sure that I take care of the raw material parts on my own. Or else I may take over the firm. Okay, यानी कि फरहान और आदित्य का जो कंपनी है, सप्लायर जो है वो लोग, वो फर्म ही में टेक ओवर कर. In either of the case, I'm trying to take the control of an activity which was performed by someone else earlier. Okay, so company is coming one step behind. Okay, in the current line of business, it is taking one step backwards. Okay, मतलब सिर्फ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं, अभी वो रॉ मटेरियल्स प्रोक्योरमेंट वहां से स्टार्ट करेगी. Okay? So in this case, it looks like the company is expanding its activities. Therefore, it is termed as vertical integration. See, Hero Cycles, what they have done is they have set up a subsidiary. Okay, that is a subsidiary firm is somewhat kind of the parent company has a control on the subsidiary company. Okay, so उन्होंने एक subsidiary firm open किया है, and वो लोग subsidiary open किया है which is going to manufacture cycle wheels and tube. तो Hero Cycles का जो वो tube होता है ना, इसका जो wheels के अंदर tube होते हैं और जो cycle wheels है वो लोग ही खाली manufacture करेंगे. Okay, so basically that in short, the raw materials is also made by the business itself, okay, by the manufacturing unit themselves. So they are coming one step backward, okay, and taking care of the activities right from the raw material procurement. I hope it is very easy to understand backward integration.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we see what is forward integration. आपको और थोड़ा clarity आ जाएगा. All right, Mehak.
Forward integration. In this case, the company moves one step ahead of its current line of business activities. For instance, a cloth manufacturer may enter into ready-made garment business. The company also diversify into distribution activities by opening up its own retail shop like that of Bata or Raymond.
Because Bata and Raymond, they are meeting the customers directly. They are not having any distributors. They themselves have opened up their exclusive outlets, okay, and they manage their customers. All right, let us first understand the meaning of forward integration. Okay, students, what is happening here in forward integration? Company is taking one step forward or one step ahead in the current line of business. तो अगर कंपनी आपकी पहले सिर्फ कपड़े बनाती थी, क्लॉथ मैन्युफैक्चर करती थी, यानी कि सिर्फ फैब्रिक, आपने सुना है ना, थान बोलते हैं उसको, इफ यू नो दिस,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, थान के
Yes,
थान
ma'am.
कपड़े बोलते हैं, है ना. तो yes, company was only doing that earlier, but now company is also, you know, converting that fabric into ready-made garments. Okay, यानी कि अभी वो सिर्फ कपड़े, थान के थान कपड़े नहीं बेच रही है, ये उसको एक आकार, एक रूप दे दिया है. ओके, अभी उसकी कटिंग हो रही है, ऑल्ट्रेशन हो रहा है. ओके, मेंस वेयर आउटफिट्स बन रहे हैं, फॉर्मल आउटफिट्स बन रहे हैं, फॉर्मल शर्ट बन रहा है, ट्राउजर्स बन रहा है. तो यहाँ पे कंपनी क्या करती है, एक स्टेप आगे जा रही है. okay? और अपने करंट लाइन ऑफ बिजनेस में थोड़ा एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ गई, सिर्फ कपड़े सिर्फ थान नहीं बनाएगी, ओके, या सिर्फ फैब्रिक बना के डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करेगी, अभी वो रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स भी बना रही है. ओके, अच्छा, नॉट नेसेसरी कि यही एक एग्जांपल से आप फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन को कोरिलेट करो. द मोस्ट सूटेबल एग्जांपल इज व्हेन यू टेक ओवर द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वर्क. ओके, पहले आप क्या करते थे, ओनली यू वर जस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड हैंडिंग ओवर योर प्रोडक्ट्स to your distributor, and the distributor is, you know, going in the market and giving it to the retailers and the customers. But now you are not letting your distributor do that. You are taking care of the distribution activity on your own, like Raymond is doing, like Bata is doing. Okay, they have opened up their own retail outlets. Okay, they are not giving it to other channels to, you know, to make it available to the customer. So in this case, when you take over the work of distribution, okay, that is called as forward integration. I hope it is very simple to understand, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
स्टडी कर रहे हो आप? टाइप्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन स्ट्रैटेजी. Broadly, yes, broadly there are two types. Okay, vertical and horizontal. तो vertical integration में first one is backward integration, जब आप एक step पीछे आते हो, and one is forward integration, जब आप एक step आगे जाते हो. Okay, एक step पीछे आना यानी कि आप खुद अब raw material बनाएंगे. ओके, एक स्टेप आगे जाना यानी आप खुद आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का काम करेंगे. ओके, so it's a kind of expansion strategy. Let us understand what is horizontal integration.
Horizontal integration. In horizontal integration, a company enters into a new business which is closely related with the existing line of business through process of technology or market. For instance, a gents ready-made garment manufacturer may enter in the business of ladies ready-made garments. Another example, a company manufacturer one electronic item, say air conditioner, may also enter into manufacturing of TV sets, refrigerators, etc.
Okay, now this is very interesting. Horizontal integration में क्या हो रहा है, students? What you are doing is you are also setting up or you are also starting up with a new venture, okay, which is closely related to your existing line of business. जैसे कि अगर आप पहले मेंस आउटफिट डिजाइन करते थे या फिर आप अगर मेंस वेयर बनाते थे, now you are also making you're also trying to make female ready-made garments, okay, which you are making for male, now you are also making it for female. तो वो जो थान के कपड़े थे, पहले आप उससे सिर्फ ट्राउजर्स और शर्ट्स बना रहे थे, अभी शायद आप कुर्ता बना रहे हो, के फीमेल्स का कुर्ताज बना रहे हो उसमें, या फिर अच्छा पंजाबी सूट्स बना रहे हो, है ना. So this is because आपका वो प्रेजेंट बिजनेस वही है, तो वही तो फैब्रिक है जिससे ट्राउजर और शर्ट बन सकता है, उससे कुर्ता भी तो बन सकता है, राइट. सो इन दिस केस यू आर एंटरिंग इनटू न्यू वेंचर. One more classic example is if your company is a manufacturer of electronics items, in case you are making air conditioners or television sets, आप अभी रेफ्रिजरेटर भी बना रहे हो, ओवन भी बना रहे हो, आयरन भी बना रहे हो, कूलर भी बना रहे हो, है ना, और भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स बना रहे हो, राइट. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज horizontal integration. When you venture venture into new products or services which is closely related to your existing line of business, it is called as horizontal integration. I hope it is very simple to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
We will see the reasons for integration strategy. Before that, can you tell me अभी तक हमने कौन से type के strategy study कर लिया है? I'll just stop share and you are going to answer now. Come on, we started with
Turnaround
strategy.
Turnaround
if you
strategy.
remember, we started with turnaround strategy. फिर उसके बाद उसका steps भी देखा था ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then second one was okay. All right.
Favorite
Second one was
strategy.
very nice. Stability strategy.
Certainty.
Okay. Very good. Then third one that we have seen is
Growth strategy.
very nice.
Growth.
Very nice. उसके बाद
Retracement strategy.
Retrenchment strategy.
very nice.
Retrenchment.
Retrenchment strategy. Retrenchment के 3 टाइप है ना स्टूडेंट्स. retrenchment के टाइप्स बताइए.
Turnaround.
Turnaround.
Okay. Turnaround. Then next क्या था?
Divestment.
Divestment.
And third one is
Liquidation.
Liquidation.
okay, liquidation. All right. फिर आज
Integration.
हमने नया strategy study किया and that is
Integration.
Integration strategy.
आप मुझे बताएंगे integration के कितने types हैं? Come on.
Two types.
Very nice. First is vertical
Vertical.
and second is
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
है ना. फिर vertical में और एक type है. कौन सा है वो?
Backward.
Backward integration में आप कौन सा role ले लेते हो?
Raw material.
हाँ, या तो फिर रॉ मटेरियल नहीं, आप ऐसे याद रखो रोल ऑफ सप्लायर. ओके, रोल ऑफ सप्लायर. और कम ऑन, दूसरा कौन सा टाइप है?
Forward.
फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन में क्या हो रहा है? यू आर टेकिंग द
Role of distribution.
ओके. फिर आपने नेक्स्ट टाइप स्टडी किया. एक सेकंड, लेट मी जस्ट एनलार्ज दिस. या फिर आपने नेक्स्ट टाइप जो स्टडी किया वो था हॉरिजॉन्टल. हॉरिजॉन्टल का
Horizontal.
कम ऑन, हॉरिजॉन्टल में आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Enter.
Entering new business.
into new venture which is closely
Closely related.
existing business. Okay.
Yep.
All right, students. Very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Simple.
Then, okay. All right. Then we move on to the reasons of integration and we'll complete that answer. इसके बाद वाला answer बहुत interesting है क्योंकि इसके बाद वाला answer is internationalization strategies. So we are going to study different methods of entering into international markets. Okay. So very quickly, let us complete this answer first. That is reasons of integration. I'm sharing the screen. You can tell me if the screen is visible or not. Okay, I think the screen is very much visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Visible.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think someone else can read now. Nasir, you are there in the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nasir.
Spreading of risk. Integration enables to spread the risk. A firm operating in a one product and in one market is exposed to high risk or loss. In constant, a diversification or integrated company having more than one product and operating in different markets can manage and risk of loss in a better manner. This is because the loss is one area can be compensated of the profit from another area.
I think students, I have been telling you this before also, and I would like to repeat this again. ever since you have started studying the core subject of commerce, आपने business को ऐसा ही समझा होगा ना कि business is all about spreading the risk. Business is all about, I think आपने definition क्या पढ़ा था अपने 11th standard में, selling goods or services in exchange of cash or its kind, है ना, आपने ये स्टडी किया था 11th स्टैंडर्ड के डेफिनेशन में. लेकिन ओवर द इयर्स स्टूडेंट्स, this concept of business is becoming more it is more wide, okay, and I think in nowadays, if someone has to define business, it is like you employ money to make more money out of it. आप पैसे लगाते हैं ताकि आप उससे और पैसे बना सके, है ना. तो वो करने के लिए you need to understand that as a businessman you should always learn to spread your risk. Okay? You need to know this one thing, that business comes with a risk, whether it is a small size business, a medium size enterprise or a large size organization. कंपनी का साइज जो भी रहने दो, हर बिजनेस एक रिस्क के साथ आता है. एक राइट एंटरप्रेन्योर कौन है जो ये रिस्क को अपॉर्चुनिटी में कन्वर्ट करे, है ना. आप रिस्क के साथ तो बिजनेस नहीं कर सकते हो ना, और आप रिस्क को रिमूव भी नहीं कर सकते हो. यू कैन नॉट रिमूव द रिस्क कंप्लीटली. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन रिड्यूस इट इंटेंसिटी. ओके, यानी कि खतरे में बहुत काम करने से अच्छा उस खतरे को थोड़ा कम किया जाए. कैसे कम करोगे आप? You start spreading that risk. Now, the first point here, it is saying if you do integration, what is going to happen is, see, one line of business is not making profit. You are already integrated. Okay, you have done horizontal integration possibly, and now you're also having different products which is related to your existing line of business. वो तो चल रहा है, वहां से तो profit हो रहा है. For example, electronic items. Okay, if you were selling refrigerators and air conditioners, now you're selling LEDs and oven and iron. So if one of the product is not running good in the market, the other is definitely running good in the market. Okay, and you are able to make profit from there, and you are trying to balance. Okay, so you should always learn to spread the risk. So this is one of the reasons why companies adopt integration strategy. I hope there is no doubt. Very simple to understand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, then I move on to the second point. I think we'll just try to involve everyone. Can Sarita read that second point?
Yes, ma'am. Improves corporate image. Integration can bring name and goodwill to the firm. This is because the firm serves a cross section of consumers in the market. Again, the firm may have the support from dealers to push the diversification products in the market, which in turn would help it to achieve name and goodwill in the market.
I think a company which is taking care of its entire activities can command or can dominate the market. Because see, once you're doing integration, you're kind of getting diversified. Okay, a firm which is serving different section of consumers in the market definitely can hold a great command also. For example, you were selling only men's wear. Now you're also selling women's wear. Okay. Earlier you were selling only refrigerators, but now you're also selling television sets, LEDs, air conditioners, or maybe air fryers or ovens, iron. तो आप अभी आप और अलग-अलग section of consumers के need को satisfy कर रहे हो, which means you are capturing the large portion of the market. Remember one thing, a company which is large organization, a company which is serving so many sections of consumer in the market automatically earns something called goodwill and good image. Okay, I think आपका goodwill अगर अच्छा रहेगा तो आपका corporate image भी बहुत improve होगा, because of which the students in future, if you want to enter into international market, or if you want to expand your business at pan India level, I think government is also going to support you. Bankers will also support you. कौन ऐसा होगा जो एक growing firm का हाथ नहीं छोड़ना चाहेगा? I think if I am a banker, okay, and if I see the firm is growing rapidly और बहुत fast grow हो रहा है, और बहुत सारे कंज्यूमर्स को मार्केट में सर्व कर रहा है, बहुत सारे सेक्शन ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स को सर्व कर रहा है, मैं तो बहुत हैप्पीली लोन दूंगी ऐसी कंपनी को, करेक्ट ना? सो कंपनी विल enjoy corporate image in the market. I hope no doubt still here.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Continue with, all right, guys. Thank you for confirmation. We move on to the third one, which is face competition effectively. Okay, Sarita.
Face competition effectively. Integration help to face competition in the market. There is a lot of competition in the market, and one way to face the competition is to introduce a wide range of products, as is done by Hindustan Unilever Limited. A diversified company, due to its name and goodwill, may be in a better position to face competition in the market.
I think if you are a growing firm and if you are introducing varieties of product, definitely you are much better in a position to face the competition. I think HUL has been smartly doing this wide range of products. HUL इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाता है, ये मेरे को तो डाउट है कंपनी को खुद को भी याद है क्या कितने प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहा है. आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग. HUL is having wide range of products. Okay, so if you are integrating, okay, you will be in a position to face the competition effectively. I think in this today's stiff competition, जितना दिखाई देते हो ना आप, जैसे आपने मार्केटिंग में सुना होगा, जो मार्केटिंग स्टूडेंट्स कैन रिलेट टू दिस, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है ना? The more you are seeing, the more you are present in the market, the more people know you. Okay, and hence you can enjoy a goodwill, which which will help you later, okay, to face the competition effectively in the market. आपकी कंपनी नामचीन है, आपकी कंपनी को लोगों ने सुना हुआ है क्योंकि आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हो. Eventually you are going to get support from the stakeholders, so you can face the competition effectively. I hope no doubt still here.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So we'll take the next point, that is utilization of resources.
Utilization of resources. For some firms, integration is means to utilize their existing facilities and capabilities in a more effective and efficient manner. They may have excess capacity in manufacturing facilities, capital funds, marketing channels, managerial and non-managerial manpower, and so on. Therefore, with the help of integration, they may make better use of such facilities and capacity.
Very interesting. I think if you have resources, okay, it is your duty to make sure that you make optimum use of your resources. Okay. For instance, Godrej has done this. Okay. Earlier, Godrej used to, purchase fragrances from the supplier, and वो fragrances की मदद से, okay, they used to make soaps. Okay, मतलब साबुन में fragrance देना होता है ना, right? So they used to purchase the fragrances and then they used to use that in their soap. Okay? But later on, Godrej realized, अरे हमारी खुद की कंपनी क्यों नहीं ये कर सकती है, क्यों हमें खरीदना है फ्रेग्रेंसेस किसी और से? वही टेक्नोलॉजी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. जो मशीन साबुन बना सकती है, वही मशीन शैम्पू भी तो बना सकती है, वही मशीन कंडीशनर्स भी तो बना सकती है, वही मशीन की मदद से मैं फ्रेग्रेंसेस भी बना सकते हैं, राइट? So why to be dependent on others when you have sufficient resources in terms of technology and manpower? आपके पास में वैसे capable लोग हैं, okay, तो और आपके पास में वो टेक्नोलॉजी भी है, then why not to utilize those resources, correct? So this is one of the another major reason for going with integration strategy, because if your company can do that, okay, अगर आपकी कंपनी सिर्फ मेंस वेयर बना रही है, वो सेम टेलर वुमेन्स वेयर भी बना सकता है. Why not to use the skills, right, and serve different section of consumers? So you can utilize the resources in the most effective manner. Therefore, you should adopt integration strategy. Students, I think the session might get over. Very quickly, I'll complete point number 5 and point number 6. Please stop me here if you're not understanding anywhere. All right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So point number 5, that is synergistic advantage.
Synergistic advantage. Some firms may go for integration to achieve synergistic advantage. It may be possible to improve the sales and profits of existing products by adding suitable, relatable, or new products because of technology or market linkage.
सिनर्जेटिक बेनिफिट्स का मीनिंग क्या होता है? जब आपको एक तीर से दो निशाना, ये आपने सुना है कि अगर मैं एक तीर से दो निशाने मारकर बेनिफिट्स मिल सकता है, व्हाई नॉट? ओके, सो इफ आई एम एडवर्टाइजिंग, ओके, फॉर वन, आई थिंक अमूल का आपने देखा होगा, दे वेरी स्मार्टली डू इट। उन्होंने एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट रिलीज किया था जहाँ पे वो लोग है ना, अमूल के सारे अम्ब्रेला ब्रांड के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स वो लोग advertise करे थे. So they were showing milk, butter, ghee, ice creams, okay, a Milkmaid that Amul is making, cheese, different flavors of cheese, chocolates that Amul is making. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, एक ही एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू उनके सारे वाइड रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स बता दिए. अब उनको सिनर्जेटिक बेनिफिट है. See, through just one advertisement, through just one brand name itself, okay, they are advertising so many products. This is one of the major reason why the company is choosing umbrella brand name. आपने सुना होगा टाटा के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के आगे ना पहले टाटा लिखा हुआ है. टाटा इंडस्ट्रीज में आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ले लो, टाटा नमक, टाटा स्काई, ओके, क्यों ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स? क्योंकि कंपनी को ना अपना नाम कस्टमर्स रिकॉग्नाइज कर सके इजीली. ओके, और फिर सुनेंगे ना, अरे टाटा कंपनी का है, अरे अमूल कंपनी का है, अमूल ब्रांड का है, सॉरी, तो ऑटोमेटिकली कस्टमर्स उसे खरीदेंगे. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द सिनर्जेटिक एडवांटेज. ये जब आप एक तीर से दो निशाना मार रहे हो, तो अगर आपका फर्म इंटीग्रेट कर रहा है, ओके, it may be in a better position to do more sales and more profit by using the existing technology and market linkages. Okay, जो लोग मुझसे मेंसवेयर खरीदते हैं, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दे कैन आल्सो बाय वुमेन्स वेयर फ्रॉम मी. जो लोग मेरे रेफ्रिजरेटर्स खरीदते हैं, दे विल आल्सो बाय एयर कंडीशनर्स फ्रॉम मी, राइट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज synergistic advantage. The last point, which is
Higher profits. Integration can generate higher profits to the firm. Integration can be used to exploit new opportunities for higher profitability, as the resource of the firm can be utilized in efficient manner.
I think since integration is a kind of expansion strategy, it sounds like, it is getting diversified, business is getting diversified, and eventually this is going to, help you generate higher profits. I think your existence of business completely depends on how good you are, money making company, how good you are able to manage that money, how good you are, maintaining relationship with your employees and with your stakeholders, and how happy your customer is, right? So that is only possible when you have higher profits. Company का अच्छा मुनाफा होगा, तभी तो वो अपने customer को, employees को, creditors को, investors को, shareholders को खुश रख पाएंगे, correct? Now, so this is one of the another reason that why companies go ahead with integration, because they can utilize the resources effectively and generate higher profits. On that note, the answer is done. I hope there is no difficulty, and I went a little bit fast. That is because the answer was way too simple to understand, and we have also covered the syllabus wisely. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको कोई difficulty, students? ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं समझ में आया?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
सब
ma'am.
समझा.
Okay, all right. So in my next session, I will take up the new answer and we'll do a small recap of what we have done in integration. I hope you remember today's answer, types of integration and reasons for adopting integration strategy.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, guys,
Yes, ma'am.
then, okay, all right, then I take the leave. You all have a nice day ahead. If there is anything you would want to ask, you can ask me, or I end the session here.
ID कार्ड कब बनेगा मैम?
ID cards, I'll just inquire and get back to you on this. I'm not really sure because right now the admission process is not yet completed. Few of the students have not yet taken the admission. So एक बारी वो roll numbers allocation हो जाए तो आपको ID card मिल जाएगा.
क्योंकि मैम ID कार्ड मिलेगा तब जाके हम लोग को लाइब्रेरी से बुक मिलेगा.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Oh, is it? Okay. I'll just get back to you on this as soon as possible. And meanwhile, why don't you get in touch with your last year's TY students? Sorry, last year's SY students who are now in TY and request for the textbooks from them. कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है आपका ये करंट बैच ऑफ
TY में
TY
है मैम, बहुत है
ना, तो उनसे तभी तक के लिए आप टेक्स्ट बुक्स बोरो कर लो. टेल देम दैट यू आर गोइंग टू रिटर्न देम एंड मीनवाइल ये जल्दी से जल्दी एडमिशन प्रोसेस एक बार फिनिश हो जाए. In my subject, guys, in strategic management, recruitment and selection, and in motivation and leadership, you need not buy the textbook. Everything is very much, there on the Google Classroom. Okay. ये जो टेक्स्ट बुक के जो इमेजेस है ना स्टूडेंट्स जो मैंने लिया है ये भी मैं अपलोड करूंगी along with the PPT. Okay, I understand that PPT के साथ मतलब उससे आप पूरा स्टडी तो कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाओगे है ना. टेक्स्ट बुक के इमेजेस भी मैं गूगल क्लासरूम में अपलोड आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन डेली बेसिस. अभी मैंने क्यों नहीं किया क्योंकि आंसर नहीं कंप्लीट हुआ था ये इंटीग्रेशन वाला. अभी आज ये आंसर कंप्लीट हो गया है मैं ये इमेजेस अपलोड कर दूंगी गूगल क्लासरूम में. आपकी ड्यूटी है स्टूडेंट्स रोज गूगल क्लासरूम लॉग इन करना और चेक करना कि क्या मटेरियल्स वहाँ पे अपलोड हो रहा है. Okay, so in my case, I don't think so. You need to buy textbooks or like that. You can just manage with the Google Classroom. All the notes are uploaded over there. Okay.
यस मैम.
Yes,
Alright.
ma'am.
बाकी कॉलेज कब खुलेगा मैम, क्या चांस है?
बेटा ये तो सबसे डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि the situation is very unpredictable. अभी नहीं पता कि or even if let me be very honest and frank with you, even if things are opening up and unlock दिख रहा है बॉम्बे में, I think that is for companies. Schools and colleges might take time because यहाँ पे बहुत since not many are going to crowd over there, so I'm little dicey कि बहुत जल्दी तो नहीं खुलेगा. It might take few months more. So not really sure. I have no answer unless the government is giving formal permission, and then only we can think of opening up with the college. Let's just hope and pray that it, as I've been saying you, मैं चाहती हूँ मैं आप सबको मिलूं and आप सब भी college campus life enjoy करो. Okay, so let's pray that we come out of this situation at the earliest.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, guys, you have a nice day ahead. Take care of yourself and
Yes,
bye
ma'am.
bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, Aditya.